So anyway, we're gonna be putting, this is essentially a sweater for the hive, and we're gonna put this dry board over here. Pretty light. It's gonna be taking moisture out of here. Some people call it moisture board more commonly. Yeah, I'm taking this off. And we're first gonna put the moisture board. No. We need this right here. Quickly cover this thing up. No, probably just. I don't think that we need this. This thing is kind of useless. And we got this thing on. Okay, that was quick. And now we're gonna put this thing on here. I don't know if there's any way to tighten it or anything like that. Maybe we need that cover off first. I think that you're probably right. Okay, now we got the cover on. Go. Nope. I do need the cover on. It sure doesn't. No, it's kind of pretty. I have a better idea.
Okay.
How about put this thing back? It's gonna make it a little bit taller here. You know? We might have to just, leave it this way. Because it's not.
Snap it on.
Oh yeah, just to do it like this. Push it down a little bit. Yep. Pushing it down. Oops. I think now we push this board, the moisture board. No, it's okay. Let's put it off. Okay, should have room now. Okay, now.
I don't know, let's get this back off.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Go ahead. Not put that on. That didn't have to be tight.
Yeah. Well, I guess we kind of wrinkle this up now. It's a bit thicker. That's it. Putting this back, and we're out of here. We don't want to bother the bees anymore. The way that is.
The guy to you says to knock on it 3 times and say good luck.
Yeah.
There you go.
Bye.